If you love coffee but you are on a budget, go ahead and go to Walmart and get you this single serve coffee maker. It holds coffee grounds and K-cups, and it comes with a filter for your ground coffee and K-cups. It doesn't have all that fancy confusing stuff. You're literally using two buttons. You're either using the capsule or the ground coffee. So let's open it up. It has a ladder for 6, 8, 11, and 14 ounces. Okay, that was so fast and it's already done. Hot enough to serve warm, hot enough to add milk, and we are good.